Hey guys, I thought I would share with you what I've been doing today on this cold Saturday with help. My cabinets have been empty. Not my cabinets, but on top of my cabinets is what I meant. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and put like what I would probably use throughout until maybe fall. I may switch up some things, maybe add some yellow or whatever for summer, but why not? So I started playing around. Guys, this is the first time I've really used these. I'm so excited. I bought them and they've been sitting here. I've had that. I hadn't used that. My little fruit, if you guys have been with me for a while, not fruit, veggies, I purchased. I just thought, well, let's have some fun today.